Happy New Year. I'm so excited to be here. I'm not excited because it's so cold outside here in Wisconsin. I'm excited because I want to tell you about a new category of products that we just got into, and we're calling it Facility Solutions. Essentially what it is some people refer to it as janitorial and sanitation, but it's all the products that you need, from paper towels to toilet tissue to garbage liners to mops to cleaning chemicals, etc. We have all of the national brands that you would need, plus amazing value options. Customers like yourself in other cities, municipalities, schools, and universities from all over the country have trusted us with pro-grade tools and supplies, and now we're excited to extend that trust to the cleaning and janitorial supplies that you need every day. I really encourage you to check these out at Gemplers.com. We would love to hear your feedback on these products or anything, and you can see my email below. And thank you for being a customer of Gemplers. We appreciate each and every one of you. Happy New Year.